Bonjour la classe. This is a little lesson, more like a revision on what we have seen already on the negation in French. So first, what do you think it means to negate a sentence, to put it in a negation? Write down your ideas in a few dot points and then submit this as a text entry or as part of your document upload later on Canvas. Okay, if you've had time to put your ideas down, this is what it's about. So the negation in English, to keep things simple, it's the process that turns an affirmative statement into its opposite, denial. So when you say she's Australian, that's affirmative, but when you say she's not Australian, that's a negative. We like ice cream, affirmative. We do not like ice cream, negative. They speak to each other, that's affirmative, and they do not speak to each other, that's a negative. In English, all you need to do is add the word not after the verb, so you have the subject, the verb, the negation, and then anything else after. It could be, I'm calling it a complement because it does not necessarily have to be an adjective. It could be something like a noun, a place, or anything else. In French, we've got two ways of seeing it. So first, you could think of it as a little sandwich thing where you have two components, like you have two words that you put around the verb. So it's like the layers when you make a sandwich, and the ne will go before the verb and the pa will go after, a little bit like the bread that are the start and the finish of the sandwich. The other way of seeing it is a bit like a pair of glasses sitting on somebody's nose, and the nose is the verb, and you have the ne before, then you have the verb in the middle, and then the pa after. This one makes more sense to me because the sandwich, you can't put it vertical and look at it like that, but whichever way works for you is best. So we've learned the verb être, which is to be. So it's to say I am, it's je suis. You are would be tu es. He is, il est. She is, elle est. We are, nous sommes. You are, vous êtes. They are, ils sont. And they are, when it's females only, would be elles sont. So when you say je suis australien, you have the subject I, je, suis, am, that's the verb, and then australien is the adjective. So it's affirmative, I am Australian. If you want to say I am not Australian, or if you hear someone saying I am not Australian, in French it would be je ne suis pas australien. And then you see that the verb is sandwiched in between the ne and the pas. So for instance, we could have la tomate est verte, but if you say the opposite, la tomate n'est pas verte, you can see that the N apostrophe is before the verb, and then you have the pas. La banane est marron. If you say the opposite, la banane n'est pas marron, we have again the same system here. Les carottes sont violettes. Les carottes ne sont pas violettes. You see that the verb is sandwiched in between the ne and the pas. Another example with another verb could be elle déteste le lait, she hates milk. You can see that in that negation, elle ne déteste pas le lait, She does not hate milk. And you have the ne and the pas that are framing the déteste. So for example, you have these. Elles sont néo-calédoniennes, they are from New Caledonia. Elles ne sont pas néo-calédoniennes. Nous sommes indépendants, we are independent. Nous ne sommes pas indépendants. Je suis français, I am French. Je ne suis pas français, I am not French. Elles sont australiennes, they are Australian. Elles ne sont pas australiennes, they are not Australian. Ils sont très sympas, they are very nice or friendly. Ils ne sont pas très sympas, they are not very nice or friendly. Alors, attention. If the verb begins with a vowel, the ne becomes n apostrophe. To make it easier to pronounce, remember that's the case when you have a vowel and then you can't really say two vowels together. So when you have il a le chat, you will have il n'a pas le chat, and then the ne becomes n apostrophe. So this one means he has the cat, and that one would be he doesn't have the cat. If the sentence is something like he has a cat or he has one cat, the negative would be he doesn't have a cat or he doesn't have any cats. Il n'a pas de chat. So this is the only thing that will change in that case. And with être, the only thing that will be different, you will say c'est un chat, it is a cat. In the negative, you will say ce n'est pas un chat, it's not a cat. And this exception is as opposed to that one. And that will be only with the verb être, which is to be. The last two slides, you will watch that as a presentation because you have the answers attached to the slide basically. Et voilà, c'est fini la classe.